My name's Katie, I'm a naturopath and the formulator of the New Bar range. If you're not familiar with how to use a shampoo bar, there's a couple of methods that I'll just run through for you. The first one is where you lather up in your hands. So just take the bar, nice and wet hands, and rub some product onto your hands. Then place the bar down. You don't need a lot of product. Then use friction and water to get that lather going. Once you've got some generous lather in your hands, place it on your head, rub into your roots, give it a good wash all around the roots of your hair, and then rinse out. Method 2 is where you rub the bar directly on the head. So wet hair, wet bar, rub the bar 6 or 8 times across the hair, getting some product on the hair, then put the product down. Again, use friction and agitation to get that lather going, work it through the roots, get a nice foam going, and when you're done, rinse the product out, and you're done. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to check out our full range of hair, face and body bars at newbar.com, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. I've developed the New Bar range to be plastic packaging free, full of aeroplanes and